guys, we're in downtown Dallas, and we got a truck for Yahir, and we're gonna show y'all. Yahir.
Watch.
What, bro?
You happy?
Yahir.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's right there. Okay.
Alright, so this is the truck. This is the new whip. For the meantime, it's a 2003 GMC Sierra. It's not bad. It's a really good truck.
Yeah.
It's a little older than me, but I like it. It's clean. It's taking good care. It's really good. I'm gonna mod it, put it, swap engine,
Yeah.
do all good things to it.
Okay. It's kind of cool. I just don't like trucks, but it's cool. I mean, it's pretty cool. But give it like a 7 out of 10. This is the end of the video. We just wanted to show y'all the truck of Yahir, and bye.